Fungi are fascinating organisms. They're not plants or animals, they belong to their own kingdom, the Fungi Kingdom. Fungi come in all shapes and sizes. Some are microscopic, while others are large and easily visible. Fungi live in a wide range of habitats. They thrive in soil, water, and even inside other organisms. Fungi play vital roles in many ecosystems. They decompose organic matter, recycle nutrients, and form symbiotic relationships with other organisms. Unlike plants, fungi cannot produce their own food. They obtain nutrients by absorbing organic matter from their surroundings. Fungi secrete enzymes that break down complex organic compounds into simpler molecules they can absorb. Fungi reproduce in unique ways, both sexually and asexually. They produce spores, which are dispersed into the environment and can germinate to form new fungi. Some fungi form intricate fruiting bodies, such as mushrooms, that release spores into the air. Fungi are an integral part of our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. Have you ever seen mold on bread, or maybe those blue-green spots on an orange? That's fungi at work. These common fungi-like are decomposers. They break down food and play a crucial role in recycling nutrients in our environment. But fungi are not just about decomposition, they are essential for making many foods we love. Think about bread. The fluffy texture comes from yeast, a type of fungi. Yeast ferments sugars and releases carbon dioxide, creating air pockets in the dough. And what about that blue cheese you enjoy? That distinct flavor and aroma are thanks to, you guessed it, fungi. Beyond food, fungi have revolutionized medicine. The discovery of penicillin, an antibiotic derived from the fungus, was a breakthrough in treating bacterial infections. Fungi continue to be a source of new and powerful medicines. Fungi might appear simple, but their structure is incredibly complex and fascinating. The main building blocks of most fungi are tiny thread-like structures called hyphae. These hyphae are like the roots of a plant, but instead of absorbing water, they absorb nutrients. Hyphae grow and branch out, forming an intricate network called mycelium. This mycelium can spread over vast distances, often hidden beneath the soil or within a food source. The mycelium is the main body of the fungus. Even though we often only see the fruiting bodies like mushrooms, the mycelium is crucial for the fungus's survival. It efficiently explores and colonizes its surroundings, searching for nutrients. In some forests, a single fungal mycelium can be incredibly vast, connecting trees and plants underground in a vast network. Fungi are masters of reproduction, employing both sexual and asexual methods to ensure their survival. One of the most common ways fungi reproduce is through spores. Spores are tiny, lightweight structures that can travel long distances by wind, water, or even on animals. When a spore lands on a suitable surface with enough moisture and nutrients, it germinates, producing new hyphae that grow into a new mycelium. Fungi can produce vast numbers of spores, increasing their chances of finding a suitable environment. Sexual reproduction in fungi is a fascinating process. It involves the fusion of hyphae from two different compatible fungi. This fusion creates a unique structure called a decarion, where two genetically distinct nuclei coexist within a single cell. The dekaryotic stage is an essential part of the fungal life cycle, contributing to genetic diversity. Eventually, these nuclei fuse, leading to the formation of new spores, completing the sexual cycle.